In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple desktop login page layout inside your browser tab workspace. We're going to build a clean basic interface using a desktop page canvas, two text inputs, and a login button. This is a great exercise if you're practicing layout structure, learning how to organize interface elements, or creating a quick wireframe for a sign-in screen. To begin, press F to draw a desktop page canvas frame element container inside your browser tab window workspace. This frame acts as the main area where your design will live. Think of it as the foundation for the entire page. Choosing a desktop page canvas helps you work within a screen size that reflects how the layout will appear in a standard browser environment, which makes it much easier to judge spacing, alignment, and overall balance. Once the canvas is in place, assemble two text box inputs stacked vertically with auto layout. Using auto layout here is especially helpful because it keeps the fields neatly arranged and makes spacing more consistent. This also gives your design a more polished and professional feel without requiring constant manual adjustment. Label the first input email and the second input password. Keep the labels clear and easy to read, since these are essential form fields users should immediately recognize. Stacking them vertically is a familiar pattern for login forms, so it improves usability and keeps the interface intuitive. As you place these inputs, pay attention to alignment and spacing. Even simple forms look much stronger when the elements are evenly distributed and visually organized. If your input boxes feel too close together, add a little breathing room so the layout doesn't look cramped. If they feel too far apart, tighten the spacing so the form remains connected as one clear unit. Below the inputs, add a primary accent rectangular container with center text reading "Log in" to serve as your action button. This button should stand out from the rest of the form, so using a primary accent style helps guide attention exactly where it needs to go. Centering the text keeps the button balanced and easy to scan, while the rectangular shape gives it a familiar, dependable appearance that users will instantly understand. As you position the button under the password field, keep the spacing consistent with the rest of the form so everything feels intentional and cohesive. By the end, you'll have a straightforward desktop login page layout that's clean, organized, and ready to build on.